G'day guys, another layout share for you. I'm flipping these through really quickly because there is, I think in this one, there is process videos for all of them. So I have zoomed back a little bit so I can fit them in and keep them in frame. You can slow this down by using the cog at the bottom of your screen, and you can slow it down if you want to slow it down a little bit more, or if you want to pause it. So my Christmas tree, I did that on a live, that Christmas tree. That was really cool. I used up some stickers, and this is the Be Awesome. I love that collection. It's a Simple Stories collection. It's beautiful. Gymnastics, the title is from Crafty Divas. This one was one that I did, actually this is one I did on the live, and I used the stickers and I went over it with glossy accents to lock them all into place, and it kind of looks like LED light, so I love that one. This was me just playing with a heap of stamps, just getting used to stamping more. And this one is lots of mixed media and grunginess. This one is using the Merry Christmas, and the Christmas trees are from Crafty Divas. They were gifted to me. Thank you so much for that. They turned out beautifully. I love the glossy accents over the top of the lunar paste on the Merry Christmas. It looks stunning. That one is the Happy Days collection, I believe. This one is the... oh, it's a Simple Stories collection, but I can't remember what it's called. This one is using, if you're looking for those gold arrows, they are from Paper Rose Studio. It's a gold collection. This one is, I loved making that layout. It was so sweet, and it's meant to not be centered, by the way. I did have a few people ask me that. Now, I did lose a couple of bits of bling on this particular layout, so I set it to the side. That doesn't normally ever happen, but I have been really rough with my very large pile of layouts. So they're in an album now, so they're fine. Fixed and fine. This was a layout that I was challenged to do using minimum. Just keep it to a minimum. See if I can do that. And I can do it. It's just not what I choose to do half the time. This one, a couple of butterfly shaker pockets. Dogs are my kind of people, absolutely. I think that is a uniquely creative paper set. This one was mixed media. I love the texture of all the clear, I think they're called clear or dewdrops around the outside edge. Love that. Love the dragonflies. This one was lots of stamping again, tone on tone. Totally worked for me. I love it. So I don't know why oh, that's right. It was stuck to the one underneath it. Sometimes I just move through these so quickly, and yeah, it got stuck on those bits, but it didn't damage them at all. It just was a little bit tacky. So now they are in their album. They are fine. So I love how this one turned out. Lots and lots of shimmer and shine. This one, Time Spent Together. That was on one of our vacations. This was using lots and lots of texture, and I made kind of a starburst effect, and it turned out really nice. I like that one, and all the lunar paste. Come on, can I hear it for the lunar paste? This was from the Rainbow Twist collection from Paper Rose Studio. This one I absolutely adored. Now, I am moving on to the next section. This one is super duper cute, and I did go ahead and fill that in with some glossy accents, and I love how that creates a sort of like a flooded effect. Looks really cute. This one was, I was trying to keep this one nice and simple. I like that one. This was a snake that I pulled off. I wanted to use up these little photos, so I made a snakes and ladders thing, and the snake is from Cricut Design Space. Seriously, was just wanting to play with my Montmartre acrylic inks. The what else have we got here? There was the one of Taylor there with all the texture. Then we've got my mother and father-in-law's wedding day. I love the texture created by the brayer on that particular background. That was paint. This one was the TCW stencil butter in the background and some washi tape. This one, just some picture frames made up. I just cut them out myself. Some heart shaker pockets, matches her glasses. This was a Pink Fresh Studio. I think that was Delightful, maybe, with some flat sequins. They were really cute. This was just something different that I don't even know where I saw that from, but yeah, it was just something different. This one, I was getting into my hexies. I hadn't used my Creative Memories hexagons for a while. This was a garland type layout that I did of my bestie with her daughter, having a flower mother-daughter night. These are the Montmartre acrylic inks. These are gorgeous. I love them. They're so good. Lots of yellow. Why not? I love the puppy preschool, all the texture in the background. That was using one of the All in Create stencils and one of the darkroom door stencils. Now, puppy eyes. This one is the second one that I made. You may recall there's one that's R18 plus because Gizmo was biting my finger in the photo, so YouTube decided to make it R18 plus. That's why I'm looking below to make sure that I'm not showing you that other one. Now, I love that black and white. I think it looks super cute. This one has lots and lots of texture from the stencil that I put through underneath, and I was using Lindy's Magicals, but the glitter comes off. It drives me crackers. So hexies, just some cute photos of Jen, Grind and Graze at Woodford. If you're in my local area, you've got to check that place out. It is so good. Fantastic Smile. I don't even know what I was doing with that layout. I can't remember. This one, I love the black shimmery goodness in the background. I can't even remember what I used. I think it was paint. This one, I did some flocking on my bunnies, and they're super, super fluffy and cute. I did think about putting a boogly eye on there, but when I put it on there, they looked creepy. Hip Hip Hooray, that is just all of Angela's birthdays up until I think she was 13 or 14. And some flowers, lots and lots of flowers. I was challenged to use lots of flowers on a layout, so I did that. This one, Taylor's first day of grade 1. This layout, I'm still on the fence with that. I don't really love it. It might be something I come back to. And that one was from the class that I ran with Crazy Crafty Session. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Bye for now.